Hello students. Hello student. We'll see 7-segment display. The 7-segment display is used to display alphabetical or numerical values. In alphabetical, it display A, B, C, D, and in numerical value from 0 to 9. 7-segment display is divided into two types, common anode and common cathode. The 7-segment display, the LED is embedded in such a form that it glow that particular digit to indicate that alphabets or numerical value. In 7-segment there are 8 LEDs are there. The 8 LEDs indicated by A, B, C, D, E, F, G and 1 dot. In common anode, these all are what? LEDs. So in common anode configuration, all anodes are configured and we have to give positive supply over here and all are grounded. Then in common cathode configuration, all we have to ground and the rest will give the configuration from the microcontroller or 7-segment decoder. So once again, it is LEDs are embedded in 7-segment display. So common cathode and common anode configuration, if I want to display 0, so what will be the position? The LED will look like this. If I want to display 0, that means A, B, C, D, E, F high and G is not on or G is not display, so it is make as a 0 and dot is also 0. In common, this is common cathode configuration. In common anode, what happened? The all R goes to 0 and dot is also dot and G is goes to the positive supply. See once again, in common anode we have to give those we have to display, make it ground, and those we are not display, make it high. In common anode configurations, so A, B, C, D, E, F are 0, 0 and G and dot is high. For the 1, it is 1 will display like this on 7-segment. So A, B and C only glow in common cathode, whereas in common anode these two are connected to ground and the rest of is high. So whatever the count will get in hex code, like for 0 we get in common cathode configuration is 0 cross 3F and in common anode it is 0 cross C0. So that count we have to take, or that count we have to send through our microcontroller pin through port. So this is connection. These are all are 8-bit are goes to one port. And if you want to connect multiple 7-segment display, so or if you want to display the same value or you want to switch between this 7-segment display, for example, if I want to start counting from 0 to 1000, so what happen? 0 will start from this, 0 will start from this. So when the 0 is start from this, I have to enable only this 7-segment display, and this 3 will be disabled. So this enabling and disabling is decided by these port pins. So when it reaches to 10, this 10, 00 to here 9 display, and it jumps to 10, that time what happen, this 1 now enable this 7 segment display and this one display, and disable these two display. So like that, at the end of 100, when display 100, that time what happen, all the display 7 segment display is get enabled, and this enabling and disabling is decided by this further port 4 pins. We'll see one program. Here I want to display 0, 1, 2, 3 on display. So hash include, I have to define this enabling. I have connected the same combination like this. I have to display 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and 4, 4. Okay, like that. So 4 control pins I assign as on port C, and all 8 pins are connected on the port D. 8 pins from the 7 segment decoder, 7 segment display. Now I'll start this. All are as a output, and trace D also, or port D also output port. So make it as a 0, 0. Now we'll start. Now in common cathode configuration, for the 0, what is the Higgs value? 0 cross 0. So now I want to display 0 on first display. I want to display 0 over here, and the rest is off. So here is 1 is for the display 1. This D0 is connected to where? Port C, pin number 0. So only that particular 7 segment display will display the what you have sent on the port D. Now here for the port D is 0 cross 5B, means I want to display 1 over here, I want to display 0 over here, and second or DG1 I want to display 1 on DG1. So here is, this is high and rest is the 0. So that what it displays 0 on particular that, it highlight that particular 7 segment, and the rest is 0, and it send the value on the that second 7 segment display. Then I want to display 2 on port D on the 7 segment display, but to enable third 7 segment display. Now I have to display 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So enable fourth 7 segment display. The delay I have written. Thank you, student.